Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting safe mode now to isolate issues. First, shut down the MacBook Pro and wait a few seconds so hardware resets. For Intel models, press power then immediately hold Shift. For Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until options appear, then hold Shift while selecting your startup disk. Once done, release when you see the login screen or safe boot indicator. This initial step prevents non-essential extensions and caches from loading, so you can troubleshoot reliably. Once you're logged into safe mode, remember it runs minimal drivers and disables many background services, so things may be slower, that's normal. Make sure to open Disk Utility and run first aid on the startup disk to catch file system errors. Next, launch Finder and test the problematic app. If it works here, a third-party extension or login item is likely the culprit. Also review system settings for login items and remove anything unnecessary. This helps identify. To finish, restart your MacBook Pro normally and observe whether the issue returns. Exiting safe mode restores regular services. If the problem persists, for Intel models reset NVRAM and SMC. For all Macs, consider reinstalling Mac OS from recovery without erasing data. Make sure to back up important files first. If startup still fails, boot into recovery to run Apple Diagnostics or restore from a backup. These steps narrow hardware versus software causes. If unsure, record errors and contact support with those details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.